Thank you. We're making very good progress here. What are you doing?
Purifying my air passages. Next time you're going.
Okay, why?
Fish face. Brought lunch. And it reeked. He's stinking the whole place. I almost fainted.
What was it?
God knows! I only had enough oxygen in my lungs to make the coffees. I couldn't talk. I couldn't ask.
It's probably her highly organic veggies scraped from her garden floor. Rotting stuff, essentially.
She's like a living compost.
Honestly, I would have killed myself by now if it wasn't for you.
What? That's actually my mug.
Jesus.
What are you doing?
Are you sure that is your mug?
I'm pretty positive about it. Why?
Well, my mug. The one that looks exactly like that one we're missing. And it's something my mother got me before she died, so...
Well, I bought this in Seville. And I mean, I would never steal a mug. Jesus.
No, for sure. I wasn't insinuating. I'm just saying it looks exactly... It looks very, very much like the one you're drinking from right now.
This is mine.
Okay. Okay. When you finished your coffee, would you mind if you checked the bottom of it?
The bottom of it.
Yes, just double, triple checking, really. You see, mine had a little owl carved underneath it, so...
Check the bottom of it. Go ahead. The coffee is finished. Happy?
Where are you going?
I'm going to sit next to Mary.
Fish face? You're going to sit next to Fish face?